Hello everybody, welcome to my channel again, Tahani Sims and more. Well, today we're going to do a countdown from 1 to 10. What are my best game packs for The Sims 4? And as you see, I've used Wordwell, that's a website, okay? That's so cool, you can make like games without it and stuff like that, okay? And tests. So yeah, and I would really appreciate if you guys, follow and subscribe and like, and hope you guys like it. And don't forget to leave some comments and tell us, what's your favorite packs. Okay, let's get started. So here for number 1, I'm going to go for Realm of Magic. This pack, it's adorable. I really loved the world. First, you got 2 worlds. You got a world to live in, and there's another world, a secret world, where you use a secret door right there, this shining door, and it takes you to a just amazing world in the space. I mean, you're like floating in the space, and the views are adorable, the moon, the stars. And basically, it's like a magic world, like you go and learn new skills, making potions and using that sticks and learning new ways, You got powers and stuff like that. And more you learn, more powers you get. So yeah, this is my number 1 pack and I loved it. Yep. So now we're going to go to number 2. Well, I had to choose Dine Out. I love restaurants, you guys. I mean, here in Saudi Arabia, we go to restaurants a lot and we order food a lot. So it's like very important to us, and you can have it as your business. That's the cool thing in this game, is like you can make your own style of Dine Out restaurant, okay? And your own food, you can choose from a big menu, a big list of food, different kind of foods you want on your menu. And you can choose either ice creams, or you can make it like a cake restaurant, or different as you please. Okay, there's just so many to choose from, and of course you have to hire a cook and waitress and stuff like that. And as better as their level is, they're better at what they do, of course. Okay, and if they don't do that good, you get embarrassed, and you can get fired and stuff like that. So it's really fun. It's so adorable. I encourage you with this pack if you guys like restaurants and making little businesses and food and stuff. So it's my favorite, number 2, okay? And we're going to go to number 3. It's going to be Jungle Adventure. Jungle Adventure is very adorable if you like to travel and you love beautiful nature and stuff like that, and you like to go on adventures. This is like adventures basically. So there's new skills you can learn and new places you can see. And yeah, it can be really dangerous. You might die, you might get poisons, you might, go through hard times, and you get too tired very fast too, okay? So you have to go take some naps and some breaks and, fill up that tummy, okay, before you go on your next trip and the next day. But it's worth it when you get all these nice jewelry things and collectible cool things. So it's so beautiful, the world. And yeah, it's my number 3. And also the items and stuff is cool too. So yeah. And now number 4 is going to be Journey to Batuu. Why? Well, yeah, I know maybe not a lot of people like this pack, but I did. I really liked the last movie they made for Star Wars, and this world's also in Disneyland. And it's adorable. The world here, it's so adorable. And I like having different kind of outfits, and they look like different creatures. Either it's really useful if you want to make, like stories and stuff, or scary little house or something, they can wear these creatures and stuff. And the world's adorable. And having these ships flying, it's cool. I mean, really took my eyes, the ships, And also the cute little robots, I thought was so cute. And the new clothes too, they have a lot of conservative clothes that we can use as Muslims and stuff like that. So I liked it. And it's cool that you can choose which path you're going to take. So depending on which path you take, depending what you get out of it in the end, what you finally get. So yeah, there's a lot of collectible things and things you can check out. And just that took my mind, that ship. And it's cute that you can take these little robots back home. I really loved, and you know, you can dance with them too. And I really love this. I'm gonna call it a sword because I don't really know what it's called for sure, but it's like a shining sword or something. It's so cool. And yeah, as you see, new build stuff, and they're dark kind of, but it's like a Turathi thing. Well, now we're gonna go for game pack number 5, and I loved Dream Home Decorator. I haven't bought this pack yet, but I am going to very soon. It's really adorable. It's like the last pack right now, the game pack. And I loved it a lot because I do love decorating homes and stuff. It's cute how, you know, where you change it to one room and then it becomes so different. And yeah, you have to ask a lot of questions from your clients and what they like. And yeah, you try to make it as they like it, okay? Yeah, and when they like it, you know, you get more money and they will like you. They'll ask you again to come back. And as you see this cute little kid, he's all grown up and you change his room. So the families can also ask you back in. So who knows, you might do the whole house one day. So it's adorable. I love this pack, you guys. And then I'm going to go to number 6. It's Vampire. Well, who you guys like new creatures, you like creatures and you like scary things, you know, you will like it. And the cool thing is it has like cool powers and stuff, and that where you change to a bat and you can, like, you teleport to different place, from place to place. They have like special abilities they can do. They look kind of creepy, and I do like some of their clothes, especially the girls' clothes, the cute dresses and stuff. Yeah, and basically their world is creepy. So, yeah. It's kind of cool. It's nice. It has like a small world too. And it's a creepy world, basically. A couple lots there. But, yeah, it's nice. And then we're going to say for number 7, it's going to be... Let's see. I'm going to go for Strange Valley. Why I liked it? Well, because I did like the world. It's desert, you know, it's different. It's desert. I liked it, you know, it's a nice new world, desertly. And also, it's like also adventure. You have to figure things out and how to solve what's going on in their world. And basically, as you see, she's getting up her strength and working out and being a strong lady because she has a big adventure she has to go. And ask all these people, basically. She's not like basically fighting anybody. She's just asking everybody questions and stuff, what's going on, because they are weird creatures. I mean, they're actually normal people, but something happened to them really weird, which they have to investigate and check it out and see what happened that made them like this. Well, I haven't finished yet. Hopefully I'll make like a complete thing and finish it all up. But yeah, I know that you see this weird creature in the end. I did go in once, and it's a big creature, you guys. You guys have to check it out if you want to see it. So, and then we're gonna go to number 8. It's going to be outdoor. Well, I love to also travel, so I mean, if we can't travel a lot now, we can travel in our game. And the world is beautiful too. Too bad we can't really live there. But now, because I think we can like make builds and stuff, like you can stay there for a while, you know, like renting stuff like that. You know, how like the travel. Yeah. And so it's so beautiful. It's nice. You can go camping and checking out these caves here, and the world is adorable. Okay, and play some music if you like. You know, it's beautiful. And also you can check out the beautiful stars in the sky. I mean, I love that view, and have a wonderful time inside the tents. And yeah, there's new things, new items to use, and you can always use it in your own home if you like. So yeah. And now number 9 is going to be the Parenthood. Parenthood, it's adorable. The idea of it, you know, raising your kids, teaching them nice manners and behavior, and also, you know, the kids do funny things and messing up things, and I love their activities that they have, and their furniture is adorable. It just, I don't really basically use it a lot, you know. parenting them. I'm already a parent myself, so I don't like to take the time that much in the games, but so that's why it's kind of basically in the end. But the furniture, clothes, and it's adorable, you guys. And the activities and new little things they have. It's fun, you know, it's kind of cool. And then the last one will be spa day. Spa day. Yes, it's important to have a little building there for you to go and relax. If you have like a hard day and tough day, your Sims can go there and relax and enjoy the massage and the sauna and stuff like that, you know. It really helps them. It does cheer them up like in real life, you know. You can let them go fit, and if they're so fat, you know, they can go and change their body to a new Sim, you know. It's cool how even in the game, you know, they get fat and then you can get skinny again. Yeah, it's cool, and how these massages affect them, and yeah, it's nice. So, but it's my last one, so because I really love the other ones more. So these are my 10, you know, favorites. So you guys share with us and subscribe, and thank you.